Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another episode. Today I got me a pretty unique product right here. It's one of those where you're like, do I really need it? Well, I don't know, but Christmas is around the corner and I have a feeling that I'm gonna be grabbing a few of these to give away to folks. This is the Divoom Sling Bag. It's a mouthful, but basically what that means is, in case if you don't know and you're clicking on this video just randomly, it is I guess a fanny pack with little pixel art on it. Voila! Explore the world with pixel art is what it says. Look at this. By the way, I do have some Divoom products. So if you look back here, let me see if I can, yeah, right here. You see that right there? That's a Divoom pixel art right there. It's just a frame that you, that you display pixel art with. It's beautiful. You can hang it on your wall and all that good stuff. And so this is just another one of their product that they use, their pixel art technology, I guess. Yeah, technology. Anyway, they have a great app where a bunch of gallery stuff you can pick from. And this is what it is. Wow, look at this. Okay, so the first thing I notice is that, well, or you don't notice is, do you see a screen anywhere on here? I don't. But supposedly, this is the screen right here, guys. This right here. It looks like a normal fanny pack. Wow, okay. I was expecting, to have a screen right here, but it blends right in with the bag. I guess you guys want to know about what the bag looked like. Let's go ahead. So the bag, that zipper feels pretty good, I guess. Let's take that out. Yeah, okay. Zipper feels pretty good. And oh, inside here, there's a little cord that hangs out of it. So that means I have to plug a battery pack in. Cool, I will do that. Have a battery pack right here. Let's go ahead and do that. Voila. Press the power button. Oh, as soon as I press the power button, this thing turns on. Look at that. It blends right in to the bag. Oh, now I see. Now I see the screen. Now I see the screen. You see it? It's behind there. The way they've done it, I can't even see it back there. Wow, that looks great. That looks great. Okay, we'll get into that in a bit. But look at this. This looks so good. It looks so good. Anyway, all right. Again, let's focus here. Let's focus. Okay, so you pretty much you put the batteries in there, you turn it on, and this thing turns on, guys. All right. Now there's another pocket right here where, by the way, this is a big bag. This is a huge bag. There's a lot of stuff going on in here. Look, there's pockets here. There's a zipper pocket right over here with instruction manual. Thank you. Yeah, this is a fairly big bag. I might be able to put like a camera lens in here. Let me see. So my pretty much all-time favorite camera lens right here which is pretty hefty. Yeah, I can actually store a lens in here, a camera lens. This is not bad at all. And then there's this little keychain thing where you can attach your keys, I'm assuming. Yeah, that's nice. That puts it back there. Okay, so that's another compartment right there. And by the way, guys, since this compartment right here has the battery pack, you can probably put your phone in this compartment and charge your phone at the same time in this compartment right here. So there's another compartment back here. Look at this. So this is where you would probably put your phone right here, or your wallet and stuff like that, because this goes against your body, right? Let's get rid of this little plasticky piece right here. Thank you. Oh, nice. Look, this handle right here says Divoom. Very nice. By the way, these guys take really good care of their products, because look at this. There's like little plastic here to make sure that it doesn't get all scratched up during the shipping process. I like that. I like that. But yeah, there's little plasticky everywhere that there's chrome. They put these little plastic on there so that it doesn't get all like scuffed up, This is a true fanny pack right here, I would say, or cross-body bag, because the way they've designed this contraption right here, the strap, is to go inside here rather than up. So that's what I noticed. It's like a pleather material, leather pleather material. All of these material, I feel like, you know, if you're stuck in the rain or something, it's gonna be able to repel all the water. Okay, so the one thing that I thought that might be like some kind of button or something like that is this right here, but it's not. It's not a button at all, which I'm a little disappointed actually. that is not a button. This is just for design purpose, because look, there's this little there's a yellow strap here, so they made the design here yellow. I actually like that design. That looks really good. I just wish that there was a button for me to turn on and off this, other than removing this battery pack right here, you know? So because I own other Divoom product right there, and I've already kind of logged in and all that good stuff, which, you know, I get to pick my device and things like that. On the app, all I have to do is actually hook this bag up to my device, and I can start, you know, changing that right away. So right now I have one over there. So look at this. It's actually like show me that there is already a Pixel Sling Bag that's disconnected right now, which is this one right here. So if I hit this, it's gonna connect it right away. So that's pretty easy, by the way. Oh, that is pretty easy. Okay, so here we go. I'm gonna turn my light off so you guys can actually get a full experience of this. Here we go. That looks great. Okay, so this bag continually impressed me again and again. So I'm trying to check out the buckles right here, and the buckle is not one of those where you just clip on, which is a normal, you know, sling bag type of thing, right? Well, look at this right here. It's a magnet. It's a magnet. You just lift this little thing right here and it removes it. I don't know, how secure is this right here? It's pretty secure from this standpoint. All you do is just lift this little thing and it comes out. That's incredible. I mean, instead of going for some traditional buckle, they just reinvent the buckle. Okay, this product is well worth it. So I have a lens in here. That's why the bag is this big down here. But look, it's able to fit that. That's incredible. Look at this. All right, let's... Oh, this is great. This is great. Well, guys, there you have it. That's the Divoom Sling Bag. It's just a unique product. Definitely makes a great Christmas gift, if you know what I'm talking about. Yeah, I think anyone I give this is going to be ecstatic. Ecstatic. Anyway, that's it for me. I'm out of here.